In this video, I am going to guide you on how to allow location access in the 13 Cabs app. Enabling location helps the app find your exact pickup point quickly and accurately. Just follow these straightforward steps to get started. 1. Open the Settings app on your smartphone. 2. Scroll down and find the 13 Cabs app in the list of installed apps. 3. Tap on the 13 Cabs app to open its settings. 4. Select the Permissions or App Permissions option. 5. Tap on Location to view location access settings. 6. Choose Allow only while using the app or Always allow depending on your preference. 7. Close the settings and open the 13 Cabs app to check if location access is active. 8. The app will now use your location to find nearby cabs and set pickup points accurately. Enabling location access ensures faster cab bookings and accurate fare estimates. Always keep location on for the best experience with 13 Cabs.